What's up guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you best part-time jobs to do in 2020 for earning $200 per month. The sites that I am going to show you in this video, these are all free to join sites. You do not need to have any special skill at all. If you're totally a beginner, you can join those sites and work on those sites, and most importantly, these are all legit and trusted sites. You can check on your own by searching on Google, and you can find different reviews that people have written about those sites, and nearly you will find all the reviews will be positive because these are the most trusted sites on the planet. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's look at my first website, that is squadhelp.com. Actually, different people move to this website and they wanted to know about the name of their business. Like they wanted to create or start up their business and they do not know what to name their business. So they just move to squadhelp.com and ask for help. We as a member of this website, we can give ideas to these people, and once our name gets selected, so that's how we will earn money or we will make money from this website. Apart from names, you can also create logos for those businesses. You can also write taglines and create testimonials. So it is up to you which one you want to choose, and you can work on anyone in which you have an interest. So if you just move downward, you can see that these are the names that people have already added: Forward Focus, Vantage, Zimbal, Avanti, Zimbal. So these are all names that looks very catchy, attractive. So once businesses move to this platform, and if let's suppose they select this name, so they just click on this name, buy this name and pay the price. Not only businesses will select name in that manner, but they will also launch a contest. So if you participate that contest, let's suppose different people participate in that contest, and at the end of the date your name gets selected, definitely you will earn money. So that's how this Squad Help will work, and it is one of the growing site out there. But make sure that in order to join that site, you must have an interest or you must be an innovative mind of a person. So that's how you are making money from squadhelp.com. Now let's move to our next website, that is microworkers.com. Microworkers is also one of the trusted site. You can just click on register and create your account. After creating your account, just move to their job section, where you find different small tasks like complete surveys, image quality ratings, data mining, image tagging, image transcription, sentiment analysis, research study, content moderation. So these all type of tasks you need to complete, and each task will be listed on this site, will provide you the guidelines and the money you will earn at the end of the job once it get approved. Generally, most of the jobs are simple, like you have to like YouTube video, you need to write comment, you need to share on your social media channels, you need to sign up, you need to download an app or install an app on your PC or a laptop or on your cell phone. So that's how this site is going to work. Once you have enough balance in your account, you can withdraw that balance into your PayPal account or any other method that this site is allowed to you. It is also one of the best way to start your income in 2020. Now let's move to our third website, that is captcha.com. Captcha, it is one of the legit site in the captcha industry. And what is captcha? Like you have often seen on the internet, you have to write some special characters. This is captcha. So you can write or complete those captchas and you will earn 0.50 cents after completing 1000 captchas. Definitely your income will grow with the passage of time, but if you are totally a beginner and you do not know where to take your start, captcha is for you. Just look at that, their rates and how many workers are working on this website. These are some of the statistics. All you need is to just register and start your work. Once you have enough balance in your account, you can get that balance withdrawn into your own PayPal account or other payment processors. So just click on work for us. Here you will learn, or you will get the guidance about how you can join to Capture.com and make money, and $0.5 for 1 to 2 hours depending on service load. Different payout methods, minimum payout from $0.5, no payout fees, you get on your wallet the exact earned amount. So that's good, and it is actually a beginners friendly method. All you need is to join that site and start completing those captchas for money. Now let's move to our fourth website, that is swagbucks.com. It is one of the most popular reward sites out there in 2020. So I recommend you to join this site for free, and after joining that site you can start making rewards by completing different surveys, by searching on the web, by completing offers and different other things. You will earn in the form of the points, and those points you can convert these points into money, either PayPal money, or you can go through different Amazon gift cards and Walmart gift cards and other gift cards, and it is up to you which method you want to choose. As you have seen that we have paid our members over $391 million. So that's massive. I have never seen a site in the rewards industry that has paid so much. So you can imagine that this is one of the most powerful site on the planet in rewards industry. Now let's move to our last website, that is Fiverr. Fiverr is actually a platform, is actually a freelancing platform, and if you have any skill, just create your account on Fiverr for free and create your own gig. Gig is just type of service. Like if you have a graphic designing skill, just create a gig or profile related to logo design or any other thing that you know in graphic designing industry. Once your service will start appearing in search results, people will reach out to you and they give order to you. That's how you can start making money on Fiverr. Apart from graphic designing, you can choose anything you want to do. If you have a skill in WordPress, you have a skill in developing, you have a skill in SEO, video editing, or anything, you can just create your own profile or gig and start making money on Fiverr. Definitely it will take time to get orders at the start, but once your profile will develop with the passage of time, definitely you will increase your income over the period of time. These are 5 methods. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.